Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change a rear wheel bearing on a 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. This is a super easy job, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so you want to go ahead and get you a 19 millimeter. Okay, so next up we're going to move the whole brake caliper and mounting bracket. Now anytime you do that, you want to have one of these. You can pick them up at Amazon for pretty cheap. And what you'll do is you'll just stick it right in between there and we'll hang it up. That way you don't stress the brake line, because you never want to do that. Okay, so coming back here to the back side here, if we look right in here, there's one 17 millimeter, go up, there's the other one right there. Okay, so these are actually 15, not 17s. Okay, so we need to retract the brake caliper a little bit because it is stuck on there. Now then we can just hook this right here to the spring. Okay, so next up we're going to have to take out these two screws. Now these just hold the rotor on there, but they always get seized up. So to combat this, we will be using a impact hammer, and that's what I would recommend you use as well. Okay, so all we gotta do is take our little impact driver. There we go, that one breaks free. Once they're broken free, they become really easy, but if they ever do strip, you'll have to drill them out. There we go. So a lot of people will tell you to throw these away afterwards, which is fine. They're not really needed, but they do make install a lot easier. I usually keep one and put it back in. Now then, with those removed, the rotor should just come off. Now, if it's seized on there a little bit, we may have to tap it in between these studs. Be careful, don't hit the studs, and then it will come free. So it's not coming off, so look at there, comes right loose. Okay, so we are almost done with this job. Super easy job. Right through here, as you can see, that's where it mounts by 4 12 millimeters. So what you can do is you can take a wrench, you can come up right through here, take it off that way, or get an extension and socket like I'm gonna do, and take them out through there. Okay, so one thing you want to take note of before you do this is always be prepared for this thing to fall out once you get it out, all those bolts out, because it could fall and hit your toe. Okay, now that I'm on the last one, this is where you want to be careful. Okay, it is on there, so we will have to tap it with a hammer. Now at this point, I don't care if this hits the ground. We're not reusing this, so I'm just going to stand away from it and hit it. There she goes. So we do want to take this little brake shield off. So there we go. Okay, so one thing you want to note is you see how these little studs are closer to the top? Same thing when you put that new one on, we will have to make sure that those are up near the top. Okay, so my camera is about to die, but at this point you just want to clean up the surfaces. Go ahead and put anti-seize on there, that way it comes off easier in the future. And then you will torque all 4 of these down to 40 foot-pounds. The brake caliper, you're going to torque down to 50 foot-pounds. And if you did remove your sensor up here, that's 10 foot-pounds. But that's going to do it for this video. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.